Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Top of the morning. Yes, sir. So, it's good. Woo! Oh my. My old man memory. Alright. Top of the morning. I'm back. It's Thursday. Chilling, waiting for our teacher to pull up. But hopefully you're doing good.
Alright, so you just want the alternator output, right? So click on 2 readings, you get power going back into the battery, alright? But for more accurate readings, you want to go directly to the alternator, alright? All our clamps should have an arrow on it showing you the direction of current flow, right? You want to make sure that you are following the direction of current flow. So where does power, once you use the alternator, where does it go? Back to the battery. Go around with the alternator. Around the B plus sign. We're gonna come off the battery. Oh, this clamp is like.
My fault. I'm sorry. My bad. I wanted to back up a little bit. He's using a cable clamp. Showing how to use a cable clamp.
Turn the headlights on. Headlights on. One, you see, as we told you, that's the apply. Turn your wiper motors on.
Wiper, turn on the top. Turn on your wiper. The driver's side.
Turn it on all the way. Alright, and you see, as we add more and more loads, we push more out, alright? But if for some reason because it's no longer putting out power, it is reading the power from the battery. And somebody, you see a button here?
Oh shit.
You see that the current starts to drop? Rev the engine. It starts to change, alright? We no longer have a regulated, amperage. Alright, so this would be the amperage coming out of the vehicle with no regulator. Alright, let's see what happens to the voltage now. So remember, this is unregulated. The regulator in this vehicle is no longer working. Let's see what the voltage is at the back. Alright, what should it roughly be? With the vehicle running, huh? About 14, right? Let's see what happens when you put the regulator back on. Look at the current, and let's look at the voltage as well. And then listen to the engine. And more, as we add more and more loads, it's going to push more out, all right? Because the alternator is going to keep supplying power to all of our electrical components until it reaches the point where it no longer can. Then at that point, the battery is going to then assist the alternator, all right? But if for some reason, regulator. Right, but it's no longer putting out power, it is reading the power from the battery. If somebody, you see a voltmeter? You can make money using it, but you see that the current starts to drop?
Yeah.
Rev
the car.
Rev the engine.
Amperage starts to go up.
It starts to change, all right? We no longer have a regulated, amperage. Voltage. All right, so this would be the amperage coming out of the vehicle with no regulator. All right, let's see what happens to the voltage now. So remember, this is unregulated. The regulator in this vehicle is no longer working. Let's see what the voltage is at the battery now.
13.8. 13.8.
All right, what should it roughly be?
14.
With the vehicle running, huh?
14.4.
About 14, right? Let's see what happens. Let me put the regulator back on. Look at the current. And I want you to look at the voltage as well. And then listen to the engine.
Stays between.
Going back up. The voltage is 14.17.
It's not going back up. Alright, so without any regulator, there's no voltage coming out of the back up from the alternator to the battery. There's nothing to charge it. And all the amperage that we see is unregulated. That's why when we rev the engine, you see it going up and you see it going down. It'll continuously do that until the battery no longer has power, because without the regulator, the alternator no longer works. So what we're seeing there without any regulator is basically the power that's stored in our alternator that's being used right now by our electrical components, and the voltage that we see there is what's stored in there until it dies out. That's why we've seen it at about 13 volts. It originally had 14 with the vehicle on. No regulator is going to slowly drop until it...
What the hell?
What is behind the scenes of guard?
Competition for you, Pop.
I know, right?
Following Garvell. Behind Garvell.
Yo, you should send that to me.
Following Garvell.
Yo, that's hilarious. He's using a laptop to record. Yeah. Good oil changer. Good oil changer.
Nah, don't put that.
Facts.
Doesn't work well with
Or teamwork.
yeah, he doesn't work well with those.
Damn.
He said solo.
He's good.
Yo! Mechanic shop, dog. Like, come on. He cursed me out a couple of times.
Yo, okay, I know Las Vegas cars full of rust. Like, even I went on.
Damn.
That's what you get.
better get fired. He's gonna copy it. He's gonna post it later.
Yeah, he might not post it now, but he's just gonna have it saved there. So he posts it later.
Go to my shop. Yo, what's the I love this? Yo. Who's gonna ask me who the love will be?
You miss anything?
I don't think so.
Fuck is
Good what he does. I love you. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. I was gonna remember real shit. Got me working on after hours. I got you for after price tag. Yo, you know they charge 2 ways.
Yeah.